From ingredient sourcing to inspection, production to inventory management, total traceability to quality control, pricing, sales and distribution to expiry dates, wastage and demand management. To make it in the food and beverage industry, you need to effectively manage your entire supply chain. Which means you need an ERP solution from a company that understands your business as well as you do. A company with 40 years experience in the food and beverage industry. One that gives you complete peace of mind throughout your process. A company like Syspro. From sourcing the most reliable suppliers with the finest products at the best prices, to ensuring your products are researched, tested and meet all compliance regulations, to designing best practice manufacturing processes, the most ideal batch sizes, maintaining quality and managing production wastage, making sure your inventory is stored, controlled and tightly managed, so that you can achieve optimum sales and distribution while forecasting and planning based on market intelligence, resulting in satisfied customers that keep coming back for more. Monitor and effectively manage your entire supply chain with Syspro, the ERP solution that has all the right ingredients for success.